Hello there and welcome to the channel. I am Faizan from designbyfazi.me, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can create your website if you are still a college or university student. Please note that this method requires you to have a university or institute email address, and without it you won't be able to follow along this tutorial. For example, the email address that I have gotten from my university is sp18bcs999@students.comsats.edu.pk, which I will be using in this tutorial. Your university should have provided you with something similar. If this is not the case, then go to your university administration and ask them directly to provide you one. So after you have gotten your institute provided email, the next step is to start the process to get your free site. Now before explaining the process, let's see what we usually need to create a website. We usually need a domain name, a hosting service, and a layout and theme builder, which can be WordPress, Wix, or you can even use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create your website from scratch. Now we can get all of these benefits for free using what is called Github Education Starter Pack. I have divided the whole process in 5 steps, which I will be covering in 5 videos. Now keep in mind that this website will only be valid for 1 year, and after that you will have to pay monthly or yearly dues to get these services. But if you work hard on it, 1 year is more than enough time. So let's start with the first step, which is getting the Github Education Starter Pack. What I would like you guys to do is go to education.github.com. Go there and click on this button which says GitHub Student Developer Pack right here. Now it will take you to a page where all of the benefits of GitHub will be listed. For now, what you simply have to do is click on this Get the Pack button. Now, it will prompt you to a sign-in page. If you already have an account, then just sign in with it. But if you don't have it, then you can quickly create one by clicking here. Be sure to remember that in this step, you don't necessarily need your school email yet. You can use any of your regular email to sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now it may ask you to verify your login, in which case you can verify it easily using the steps on your screen. Now on next screen, you will have to scroll down and click the button that says Get Student Benefits. If you are a teacher, then you can go with this one over here. But for students, we just have to click here. Now this next page is very important. First, you need to describe your academic status as student. Next, you need to fill in your email. Now this is where you will be using your school issued email. Simply fill the text area with your email and submit it. Alright, now is the time to verify this email. Click on the blue GitHub email settings here in a new tab. Now when we do that, this other page opens up. What we simply have to do here is click on Resend Verification Email. And after this, go into our email inbox and verify this email from there. This process should be very easy, although if there is still any issue, then let me know in the comments below. Alright, then after our email has been verified, we need to go back to this page and fill out the remaining info such as your school name. It might even ask you for a picture of your student card, in which case you just have to snap a picture and upload it. After filling everything, simply click this button that says Submit Your Information. Now you might have to wait a few days, but when all is said and done, GitHub will send you a confirmation email similar to this. If you happen to receive this email, then congratulations, you have successfully completed the first step to get your website. Now I will be sharing the next steps in my coming videos. So if you want to get quick updates, then consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon for more timely updates. If you want to learn vector illustrations, logo designs, web, WordPress, or anything design related, then do visit designbyfazzy.me. I am Fazzy and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.